Want to make game purchases and subscriptions easy on your PlayStation 4? Adding a payment card to your PlayStation 4 account streamlines your buying experience. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a credit or debit card to your PlayStation 4. To add a card, turn on your PlayStation 4 and navigate to the PlayStation Store. Select your account icon, then go to Payment Management or Wallet. Choose the option to add a payment method. You'll then be prompted to select Credit Debit Card and enter your card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll also need to enter your billing address. Finally, save the card details. PlayStation will typically perform a small authorization charge, which is immediately refunded, to verify the card. Once added, your card will be available for all your PlayStation Store purchases and subscriptions. And there you have it. Adding a card to your PlayStation 4 is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.